This is a one owner 2006 Toyota Sienna XLE. Brand new, practically brand new Continental tires. Fresh set of all four. Very clean vehicle. Got the seats folded down right now so you can kind of see. Got plenty of cargo room on it. If you pull this down right here, then it automatically goes down. Tow hitch was used for a wheelchair. The previous owner. Check out those tires, super clean. Leather, practically brand new in there, no rips, stains, tears, anything like that. One owner, clean Carfax, all dealer serviced its whole life. So it makes this thing amazing, super clean, no scratches, no dents. Engine runs strong. Like I said, all service records from the dealership, its whole life. Super clean vehicle, leather, rear vent there. Yes, that works. You can see it open over there. 78,000 original miles, guys. Will not find anything like it. And then both the sliding power doors work. Everything is literally perfect on this vehicle, guys. JBL system. You won't find anything else out there like that with this mileage.